So about 5 months ago, I premiered this video right here, which was my first in the Airsoft Iron Man series. And about 3 months after that, I premiered this video. Now I can't get views, so they're back.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
In the last video, I made this. This is going in the bad ideas bin. I haven't touched this thing in months. So this piece, what it's based off of, I'm going to spray paint this real quick. Alright, so these are the rockets I'm using. They're just little... There we go. Alright, we're good, I think. Yeah, they're pretty powerful. So that's the explosive charge that I'm using. How it works is I put them in here, and then I light them on this end and they shoot out. I was having problems last time with when it was mounted. It was spitting out sparks onto my arm, which really hurt. So what we're gonna do is mount it higher up. We're also gonna mount a lighter right here, so that all I have to do is click that, and it should just shoot out. Ah.
Like you cut, G.
Let's not do that anymore though. That will go right there. Then we'll have this here, which means I can just press it and, oh geez, no, oh god. So that's gonna go right there. Alright, hot glue's plugged in. Once this thing warms up, we're just gonna hot glue it onto the fabric. I do need more ideas for this project, however. I'm kind of running out. You know, I got something to shoot. I got another thing to shoot. I might be able to add like smoke grenades, but leave ideas down in the comments. I really, really need them. I should go back to putting Thanos quotes in my thumbnails. I swear, half of this suit is gonna be hot glue. It's like, it's gonna be really awkward to get this glued on here. Hello? Light on fire? Oh, Jesus, oh God. Okay, so it's kind of done, and it'll probably be fairly sturdy. I will turn the camera around and shoot this thing. Go like this. Okay, there we go. Whew. Okay. It works. Oh. So this is the completed missile launcher. It doesn't look super fancy because it isn't. It's a tube. You just grab one of these, shove it in there, and you light it off. But don't actually light it when I'm like this because, you know, it's happened many times in this video. It's looking pretty cool. Nice.